Question: Does America now have a national church? I read a statement about the United States Constitution that says, the First Amendment was written to prevent the national government from establishing a national church. The document went on to say, freedom of religion means freedom to voice your opinions without fear of punishment. My question is, haven't we already establishing a type of national church when we are forced to make allowances in our Christian beliefs for the belief of others? Not only are we now being forced to make allowances for those beliefs, people are fined and forced to take classes to make them accepting of the national church decree. All of this is coming about because of America's move toward socialism that is being disguised as liberalism, which I feel is a contradiction in terms. It appears everything is okay with liberalists unless it involves religion. If a person has a Christian belief, the US government now steps in and fines and forces an exception to those beliefs. Logically, by interfering with a person's religion, restricting what a preacher says, and forcing exceptions that go against a person's Christian beliefs, the government is making itself head of all churches. In other words, the US government is establishing a national church in the governing of all churches' religious practices. Why is it necessary to force same-sex marriage on Christians? Is there only one baker in Seattle to bake a wedding cake? Is New York State so built up there is only one rural farm where a wedding can be held? In the Bible, homosexuals tried to force themselves on straight people for sex. Since force does not make people accepting, gays today must do it for easy money. The New York couple got $3,000 for a phone call. As for me, I believe doors are put on bedrooms for a reason, and forcing your beliefs on someone else only builds hate, not acceptance.